Have you struggled with ChatGPT to get some better and more human-like responses? Here's a prompt that you can use, plus add it in your ChatGPT preferences to make your responses sound like a human. This prompt tells ChatGPT what to do and also what to avoid that could sound like an AI, and then enforces it to review its own responses and clean them up. Let me show you exactly how to set this up in your ChatGPT preferences so that all your future results are more polished and human-like. Here's the prompt that you can use in your ChatGPT preferences. You can write this prompt in Microsoft Word, Notepad, or any text editor, or even directly in ChatGPT. For this video, I have provided you this prompt below as a text to copy-paste. Let's start with opening up your browser and type chatgpt.com in the address bar. Notice the new interface with new GPT-5 being introduced, which is newer and more sophisticated version. Now, before we write anything here, let's open up your preferences, which you will find it at the lower left-hand corner. Click on it and you will see some options, from which click on the Customize ChatGPT. This opens the customization panel where you will see a bunch of options. Notice that you can't edit, add, or do anything. Scroll down and click the Enable for New Chats toggle button. Now you will be able to add text and descriptions to start customizing ChatGPT. You can add your name, tell it what you do, and then paste the prompt that you had copied earlier in the box that says, "What traits should ChatGPT have?" Note that your traits can be 1,500 characters only. Now scroll down and see what else you can add. Remember, the more information you provide about yourself, the better ChatGPT gets in understanding you. Click on the Advanced to reveal additional features that can help. Click All that is required. Best is to click All to maximize the output. Since you clicked on Enable for New Chats, this will be reflected in all your future chats and responses. Hit the Save button, and that's it. You have now customized your ChatGPT to better understand you and act and respond more like a real person. Comment below and let me know, how did it go? If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.